Now I'm your big mall dropper, mud duck stopper, Fila on the bottom and Adidas on the topper. Transform scratching, big beat matching. I can tell you're getting jealous by the looks I'm catching. I hate dumb skeezers, MC beater, drop $5 on my bird wide meter. Smooth like ice, don't get nice, just turn up the box for the mix till I slice the you.
Buttermilk biscuits, baby.
Y'all ready to get busy? Now buttermilk biscuits, here we go. Sip the flour, roll the dough. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Move your butt to the funky beat. Buttermilk biscuits. Them buttermilk biscuits. Buttermilk biscuits. Lord have mercy, Mixer got me rapping about biscuits now. Freak from LA to the Carolinas. Dip them suckers in Aunt Jemima. Don't make a difference what food you make. Use buttermilk biscuits to clean your plate. You eat them in the morning, you eat them at night. Kentucky Fried Chicken makes the suckers just right. I eat them with jelly at my favorite deli. Wrapped and sealed by a freak named Shelly. Look good. Buttermilk biscuits. Buttermilk biscuits. Buttermilk biscuits. One day I kissed my freak, hit the street, looking for something to eat. In an 18-wheeler, looking real swole. All the girls smile 'cause I'm the big boss. Said I gotta eat now, can't eat later. Made a lot of noise to attract my waiter. The boy walked up and what did he say?
Said buttermilk biscuits free today.
What you waiting on?